Hello friends, welcome back to DevOps Seed. In this video, we are going to learn Sonarqube integration for Python project using GitLab CI. And in this, you can see here I'm using droplet of DigitalOcean. So you can see this is Ubuntu droplet, and in Ubuntu droplet, we are going to install GitLab runner and Python. Then here you can see this is my Sonarqube dashboard. In my Sonarqube, I have 3 projects: Node.js project, my app, and then Java Gradle. Then here you can see this is my repository with the name Python. In my repository, I have few files. And now the first step is we are going to install GitLab runner on our DigitalOcean droplet. That means this Ubuntu droplet here. And so you can go to the official page of GitLab runner. So you can see this is the official page of GitLab runner, and now we are going to install GitLab runner. So the first step is add the official GitLab repository. So for Ubuntu, you can see the command. And here you can see here I'm using Mobile Stream to connect my Ubuntu terminal. Now we are going to install GitLab runner. So now it's done. Now clear the screen. And the next step is to install latest version of GitLab runner. So now copy the command for Ubuntu. So here I have already installed GitLab runner. So you can see here. Now clear the screen, and now we are going to register runner. So before register runner, you need a repository. So you can say this is my repository. And now if you scroll down, you can see the 4th step, register a runner. Then if you scroll down, you can see the command for Linux. Now we are going to register runner. Now it will ask enter the GitLab instance URL, for example, like this. So firstly go to your repository, then settings, then CI/CD. Then here click on runners, and then here you can see the URL. Then registration token. So here the registration token. Now enter a description for the runner. So my runner. Then tags. So DevOps. Then enter an executor. So shell. So runner registered successfully. So let's check. So refresh the page. Now here you can see our runner. So sometimes they give us error. So the solution is click on edit. And then check indicates whether this runner can pick job without tags, and then save changes. Now you can see our runner is running. Now it's done. Now let's check the next step. Now the next step is install Python. So firstly, we need to update our system package. So now it's done. Now we are going to install Python. Now it's done also. So now clear the screen. And now if you want to check the version of your Python, then you can run the command python -- version. So you can see the version. Now clear the screen. Then the next step is install Python pip. Now it's also done. Now the next step is download the Sonarqube scanner package. So firstly we need to make a directory. So let's create a directory. Then we need to inside this particular directory that we have just created. Then we are going to download Sonar Scanner using wget command. So now it's done. And now the next step is install and unzip. Unzip if you don't have unzip package. So now we are going to install unzip package. So it's done. Now clear the screen. Then now we are going to unzip this our Sonar Scanner zip file. Now it's done. Then the next step is move to this particular directory. Okay. Then now edit the sonar scanner.properties using this command, and in this file we need to uncomment these two lines. Now save the file and exit. Then now we are going to create a new file to automate the required environment variable configuration, and in this file we need to add these lines. Then use this source command to add the sonar scanner command. Now it's done. Now if you want to check the version of your sonar scanner, then you can run the command sonar scanner -v. Then the next step is create a file in your repository with the name sonar scanner properties and add this line. So now firstly go to your repository here, then click on repository, then files, and here now we are going to create new file. So click on this plus icon, then new file, sonar project properties, and here you need to add these lines, and you can say this is our project key, DevOps in Python project. Then commit changes. Now it's done. Now the next step is add variables in your GitLab repository. So for that, firstly go to your repository, then settings, then CI/CD, and here we are going to add 3 variables here. So click on expand and add variable. So first variable is sonar sonar host URL. So now paste here your sonar URL. Then remove this protect variable flag, then add variable. Then the second variable is sonar login. That means your username. Remove this protect variable flag. Then the third variable is sonar password. Then remove this protect variable flag and then add variable. Now it's done. Now let's check the next step. Now the next step is create a .gitlab-ci.yml file, that means our pipeline, using below cover code. Now let's create pipeline. So click on repository, then files. Then here, click on this plus icon, then new file. Now here, okay. Now here you can see in variables, then image Python 3.7, and in before script you can see a Python version, then pip install and all. Then here there are two stages. Firstly static analysis, then state, and in static analysis there are 3 steps, and then test. Now commit changes, and now let's check our pipeline. So you can see here, our first job is running. Wait for a few seconds. So you can see here, it's passed. It's also passed. Now it's running. Passed. Now our test job is running. So let's check. So you can see the message job succeed. So let's check in our Sonar scan. Sonarqube. Sonarqube. So refresh the page here. And now here you can see our project, DevOps in Python project, and passed. You can see a quality gate status passed. So that means it's done. So in this video, we have learned Sonarqube integration for Python project using GitLab CI. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like the video and it's helpful to you. So please like, share and subscribe our DevOps channel.